I had to change this trim pump. Rotted. Looked around for videos of how to do it. I couldn't find nothing. Nothing was telling me how to do this without removing the motor. I'm not a mechanic, but I try to fix my own shit. So, if you ever want to pop this trim assemble out, what you got to do, obviously you pop these screws out. 1, 2, 3. You got one up here. This is for a Merc 250, 1999, a little bit older. You got 3 on the other side. The trick is, it's gonna save you a lot of time. So let me show you over here. Put your lever up, right there. Come on the other side. Drop your motor. It'll stay there. Pop these 2 off. Has to be the right side because the lever holds the motor. That's the important part. Pop these 2 brackets, these 2 bolts off. I have the extended bracket, so I had to jump in there, get the bracket out. And this whole thing comes up. I probably would have filmed it when I was doing it, but I was in the mode. So this whole piece right here, take these 2 bolts. You don't have to touch this. Don't mess with your steering. Take these 2, pry it off. Pry it off, pick it up. The whole motor will stay. It will stay right in place. These will slide up. Then you can put this whole assembly in. As you're pushing it in, you got to be pushing these in. It works. I put it all in one piece. If you want to make it easier, take the reservoir off. It's just a little bit challenging putting it on when you're all done, but it's got 4 bolts. These bolts are easy to get to. Then you have a bolt all the way in that corner. That's the hardest one. Once you do that, you're good. So that's all I wanted to tell, because I couldn't find anything. I'm not even a YouTuber, but I couldn't find any information on how to get this damn thing out, work on it, and then put it back in without putting a hoist on the motor and picking it up. So pop those 2 bolts, and this whole piece slides up. And then you can get in there right behind the wall and get her done. Peace.